Hello friends, welcome to TechNick. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll have a revisit of one of the flagship smartphones launched late last year, the Realme X2 Pro. So Realme X2 Pro was announced during the end of 2019, and it was really a flagship device in all the aspects. It came with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. It has a Super AMOLED display, 90Hz refresh rate, super VOOC fast charging. Then you also get the quad camera setup, the 64 megapixel sensor. So all in all, it had really power packed hardware, and it came with Android 9 Pie. Now the device has also got the Android 10 update and the Realme UI 1.0. So how good is the device after almost like 7 months of launch? Is it really a good device to buy right now? Now the device is selling below the 30k price segment. You can actually get it less than 30k, and it has the flagship processor, flagship great cameras. So it's a really good device in terms of the hardware. So how good is its stack against the competition, and is it really a worthy device to buy in 2020? That's what we are going to analyze. Now first, if you look at the design aspect, it definitely looks pretty good in terms of design, but one thing what we noticed with all the Realme devices is that the camera placement looks quite similar. We have the vertical camera layout, be it side or center, but for the X2 Pro it has been moved to the center, and the build quality is definitely good. Now the front panel has this water drop notch included, so you can see that the front panel design definitely looks pretty good. The bezels are also kept to minimal, so overall in terms of design aspect, it's a pretty good device, and build quality is really superb. It's a glass finish and it really feels solid in hand, so in hand feel is again good, although there is slight weight, but then it definitely feels really premium in hand. So overall in terms of design and build quality, the Realme X2 Pro is a solid device. Now next is one of the highlights of the device, the display. Now the display is a Super AMOLED display, so you can see that it has a Super AMOLED display. It is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. We have the water drop notch, and one of the important things was the 90Hz refresh rate. So you can see that the refresh rate feels really smooth. It is a 90Hz refresh rate, and it also has a Super AMOLED panel, HDR10 enabled display. Now another important thing about the device display is the brightness levels. The company has been advertising that it can go up to 100 nits of brightness, which is really impressive, and true to its claim, the brightness levels are seriously impressive on this device. Again, the display quality being a Super AMOLED panel, it feels really nice. So the display quality is definitely good on the Realme X2 Pro. So that's the display aspect. Now next, moving on to the important aspect, the software. So this device came with Android 9, and we have the new UI with Android 10 rolled out early this year. So we also got the Realme UI 1.0 with the Android 10 update. So if you are already using a Realme X2 Pro, you might have already got the Android 10 update. Now the update is something which is really good, because when we did the speed test comparison between other devices, we found that the Realme UI does a really impressive job here. It's one of the smoothest UIs, and it's more or less clean UI, unlike the MIUI, which has a bit more clutter. The Realme UI is a bit more optimized, that actually feels up, and the overall experience is really good. The multitasking is good, the RAM management is superb, and the overall experience using the Realme UI was really good. Now the Realme UI brings in additional features as such, similar to other UI, so again it's well equipped. Now talking about the performance, so this device comes with the Qualcomm's Snapdragon 855 Plus octa-core processor. Now the performance is something which is really superb on this device. Being a flagship processor, it again comes with a really great experience altogether. No lags whatsoever. Even if you run heavy apps or games, it does not have any sort of lagginess. It has 8 gigs of RAM available, and the gaming experience is again superb on this device. We played games like PUBG Mobile, and there was absolutely no issues, and the overall experience was really good on the Realme X2 Pro. So in terms of performance, is again a top-notch device. Now next, cameras. So this device is a quad camera setup, and it has a 64 megapixel primary camera. Now if you look at the camera experience, this has the Samsung's GW1 sensor. It also has a 13 megapixel telephoto lens, which can do 5x optical zoom and a 20x digital zoom, and there is an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera as well, and it's a quad camera setup. Now the camera experience is pretty good on this device, although previous Realme devices have had this issue of saturation, while the Realme X2 Pro seems to have fixed that issue, and the images feels more or less natural looking, and the details are good. The 64 megapixel camera does a pretty good job. The telephoto lens is again good. The ultra wide angle camera does quite good job overall, and the selfie camera experience feels quite okay. So overall, if you look at the camera experience, it's definitely a good experience, if not the best you can get, but still a great experience overall. We don't have much to complain, but still there are some areas of improvement, but still overall you can say that the camera experience is pretty good. Now next and final aspect is the battery. Now it has a 4000 mAh capacity battery, and it also has a Super VOOC fast charging, which is a 50 watt charging, which can charge the device in around 35 to 40 minutes, which is claimed by the company. And the battery performance is again good. You can get around 6 hours of screen, 5 to 6 hours of screen on time easily on this device, and the overall experience is really good. So summing up, how good is the Realme X2 Pro in 2020, or rather mid 2020? Now this device is priced around at 29k, around the 29k. We'll share the link in the description of this video. So for 29k you get a really good package. If you are looking for a great flagship device below the 30k price segment, without doubt we'll suggest the Realme X2 Pro, because it comes with a super performance all around. Hardly anything to complain here. Great display, good software with the Realme UI, above average cameras, great battery life, and it's a really good package. If you're looking at value for money flagship, the Realme X2 Pro is still a great device to buy. So that is a detailed review of the Realme X2 Pro in 2020. Should you buy it? We would definitely recommend to buy if your budget is 30k. So that is a detailed review. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. We'll share the link in the description of the video in case you plan to buy this device. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.